So I just need us to chill a bit. I don't like that. I feel it's not a good look. It's a bit disrespectful. And we joke, it might be a joke or whatever, but I just want us to just keep...
But you spanked my ass today.
Today?
Yeah.
I didn't spank your ass.
You did.
Well, you did not complain, I'm telling you, and I think it's because you did mine. Let's just stop with all of that. How about that then?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, cool. All that's because we're not anything, we're friends. We've not spoken about taking it to another level. We've not spoken about other things. The last conversation we were supposed to have, I told you I didn't like a lot of things that you did, because you even, when I tried to talk to you, you came out lying because you don't know Damboski has spoken to people already. So I know that you were going to tell him a few things. He's your guy, fine, but I didn't appreciate that, and I'm still trying to get to know you and understand you, and I don't see us being in a relationship, at least not now, or being in anything. I don't know if it's just sexual thing that you see in me or whatever, but either way, I just think we need to just cool it off.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank
Do
you.
you have anything to say?
Nothing.
All right, we're done.
It's fine.
I mean, if you want to get mad, it's fine. I don't just like being sexualized a lot. As this one, that one. It's a joke, but it's freaking on TV, and it's not a good look. And I just had to tell you, if you like, be angry. If you like, don't be angry. I noticed that every time, any little thing, you get angry, and that's fine.
I'm not angry now.
I'm just speaking my mind.
Did I say I'm angry?
And you don't have to say their faces you make, their ways you act, any little small thing, you start looking at me, you get angry even with the games, with this, with that. It's really not that serious.
After you're making everything look like I'm always the problem. That just it.
Okay,
but
then chill then.
You spank my ass, you jump on me.
I've stopped jumping on you when you said that. I jumped on you and you see how you've been climbing me. And if it's not okay, every time, man, actually, I'm done. Get out. I'm not angry, man. I'm done. That's why I am. I'm not angry. I'm done.